Say hello, people. What are you taking off?
It's not allowed here when you want to go to park.
Mommy, I already put it on because you're gonna wear your shoes. Can you not take off your socks, please? Where are you going today, my love?
School.
Daycare today.
Look at school.
Okay, gani. School, gani. Calm down.
That's not daycare, school.
Okay. Daycare or school. If you don't properly eat your food. Do you know? What is today though? Do you know? Say good morning. Sit down properly. You need to do your hair.
Good morning.
Today is... What is today? Do you remember what is today? Today is Tuesday.
But then we can choose my water, so we can choose milk.
Hurry up na, Day. Eat na. Talaga. Tugi-dugay.
I did crunch it like. This makes it first.
Eat na. Wala siyang milk. Naubusan kami ng milk. Gusto
I
niya
need
bigyan lang.
milk more.
You want milk? Oh, we don't have milk. You said you just want cereal. You said it's okay without milk. No, you want milk? Mommy will buy milk later.
We'll play before we do eat more breakfast.
Ah?
Do you more breakfast?
What do you want me to buy from the shop?
A surprise.
Huh?
I want you to buy a surprise for me and
Surprise! No, for breakfast. What do you want to eat? Muffin, did you say? Yeah? Did you say you want muffin? Mommy will get you muffin there.
Yeah.
Oh, you have it tomorrow, the muffin. What else do you want for breakfast? So Mommy can get it from the shop. What else? Huh? Just muffin? Mommy will get milk. And what else do you want?
That's only that because we're missing only that.
We're missing only that. Okay, so just muffin. What muffin do you want though?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, okay. You don't want the banana muffin?
No, yucky.
Oh wait, don't say yuck. Every food is really yummy. Okay, wait, face this way please.
Yucky.
Yucky ka dyan, silly girl.
Yeah.
Haba na ng buhok mo, Day. Haba na ng buhok mo, Day. Your hair is getting longer, my love.
My hair's getting more longer.
Yeah, look, see?
Can I see?
Wait, Mommy will tie it.
So you can make it only one hair?
Yeah, I can make that next time because I already tied it here. See? Look. Oh, like that, Elsa.
Yeah, you can make one when it's growing more.
Yeah.
Like my legs so look like Elsa.
Elsa or Rapunzel?
About that, Mama, I said Mama, can you see which one? Mommy,
Open it.
Mommy, give me that. Mommy, I said give me that.
Well, open it first.
Open it.
Why? What are you trying to
Which
do?
one? Which one?
What are you gonna do?
Flip
flip
it
it.
up,
Mhm.
goes, wait. I have to get to 5.
Mhm.
We're going to get to 5.
You have to do it. Just watch there. See, there's air. Hurry up again. Yeah, that's it. Enough. Too much. Too much, baby. Ay, nako. Again. Only up to here. There's 5 here. At the line. Come on, come on.
And there?
Here. Face this way. The 5 is there. Can you see the 5? Okay, come on, go.
There?
Pull it, pull it.
There, where?
Here, the 5's here. Pull it.
Oh.
Pull it. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Good job.
That's
Perfect.
very good. Perfect.
Perfect.
And then we can do 4.
Yeah, next is 4. Because you need 9 ml.
We need a lot.
Yeah, you need a lot. Because this one's a little syringe. The other one don't fit there, I think. I don't know. Come on, dali. So, yung iniinom niya is Nurofen. I find Nurofen much better sa Panadol. So, yeah. Pwede naman daw sila pagsabayin yung Nurofen tsaka Panadol. Pero, ano sabi na?
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. So, sabi ng sis ni V, much better daw pag umiinom siya ng Panadol and Nurofen together. Pero nakalimutan ko kung paano sila inumin. Parang 2 hours later ata. So, if uminom siya ng Panadol ngayon, 2 hours later, may inom siya ng Nurofen. Parang ganun. Or 2 hours later, 3 hours later. Parang ganun. Pero I'm just using Nurofen right now. Kagabi pa siya uminom ng Nurofen. Oh. What are you doing? Are you sharing it with Akong and Angelo?
Yeah.
Aww. Baby girl. Okay, dalian na. Kasi we're late na. Oh. Inuubo na siya ngayon. Inuubo na siya tsaka sinisipon. Kailan ba nag-start yan ulit? Nawala yung sipon niya. Tapos, bumalik na naman ulit. Pabalik-balik lang. The 4 only ha? 4. Can you find 4? Here.
That's 4 family.
Okay, more, a little bit. Okay, enough. Good job, baby. Okay, let's go.
No air.
No air, yeah. Well done.
Yeah, the bubble is the air.
Yeah, the bubble. No bubbles. Good job. I did laundry yesterday and I'm gonna do more today kasi di ko na salang yung black and whites na damit. So, colored lang yung na-start ko kahapon kasi late ko na din sila nasalang kahapon. So, I'll continue today. Kasi sabi ko, wala akong enough hanging rack
Hey!
for them to hang outside. Kasi baka umulan, di ko magagamit yung side hanging rack namin. So, kailangan nasa under the roof siya. Para hindi siya mabasa. Hindi naman umulan, kaya lang just in case ba. Tsaka ang tagal mag-dry kasi nga malamig sa labas. Okay, finish it. Hurry up.
Taste it to fry.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Hurry up, do
That
it.
looks like it's a hole. That's
So yeah,
fine.
tignan ko yung ibang damit na hinang ko kahapon kung dry na sila. And then I'll start the other loads para hindi pa kami nakabili ng ano hanggang ngayon. Dryer. Hindi ko alam. Parang ayaw ko bumili na kailangan din kasi ang tagal mag-dry ng mga damit. Yeah. Tsaka yung isang reason din na parang gusto ko din, ang gusto ni V. Kasi yung dust ba sa damit. Kasi pag pumasok na yung dust sa bahay, may allergy kasi si V sa dust. O, diba? Siya na talaga. So, hindi ko alam kung house dust or may specific na dust talaga na allergy siya. So, lumalabas yung hay fever niya and everything. So, yeah, bawal siya sa dust. So, ayun, siya din nagsabi na bibili kami ng dryer, but ayun, I told him na wag muna kasi last time was summer and sobrang init ng summer. So, sabi ko, hindi natin kailangan. So, I think now, we need it. And, yeah. Hindi pa din, iniisip ko pa din kung bibili kami or not. So, advantage is for him para hindi siya laging sinisipon and atching ng atching. Tapos, din, para mabilis din mag-dry yung mga damit. Hindi na kailangan maghang sa labas ng ilang araw kasi winter na guys. Finally, lumalamig na. Kasi pag winter, kailangan ko, matagal siya mag-dry. Mga maximum 3 days siya nasa labas yung mga damit namin.
I don't want to.
Alright guys, nasa bahay na tayo. So, nagpunta ako ng Kohl's. After pick up si Mia, so ito yung mga nabili natin. I have Fruit Loops, canola oil, watermelon. Nagpapabili si Mia ng muffin, pero naubusan ako ng muffin guys. Yung natira doon is blueberry, and 3 na lang natira ng blueberry. So, hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan niya yung blueberry. Kasi lagi niyang kinakain na muffin is yung choc chip. So, mini chocolate, cupcakes. Ito na lang yung binili ko. Masarap naman siguro to. I've got my salad. And I've got this, naka-sale to siya. Yung white choc na macadamia cookies. Naka-sale. And I've got iced tea, just one. Naka-sale din to. Ito, ang mahal talaga nito. Yung Cetaphil ko na daily exfoliating cleanser, $19 for this, guys. Di siya naka-sale, pero ubus na kasi yung akin. So, kailangan ko na bumili. And eucalyptus na tissue. And yung isa, yung pang wipe ng face. Ito kasi pang nose siya pag nag-glow si Mia. So, yung gamit niya kanina, kaya lang isa na lang yun. So, ito pa, lagay ko sa taas. And milk. Lagay natin sa fridge. Kanina pa ito nasa taas. And yung pimple patch ko. And ubos na yung lotion ni Mia. So, I've got her the Dermaven. Yan, Dermaven. Ito yung first time ko to itatry. So, di ko alam. For extra hydration daw siya. Intensive moisturizing lotion. So, yeah. First time ko siya i-try. So, madami akong narinig na magandang feedback sa brand na to. Gusto ko siya i-try. We have cherry, Mia's favorite. Naubos na yung cherry kahapon. Oh my gosh. And I've got the Mentos. Naka-sale siya. So, gusto ko yung after ko kumain, may kinakain akong parang minty. Kasi for nausea, guys, na ako. Ganon. Anyway, ayan ang ating mga pinili. So, na-spend ko dun is $103. And super konti lang siya. Pero mostly dito naka-sale naman. Hindi naka-sale yung oily. Meron silang free, pag nakaabot ka ng $20, pwede ka makakolect ng KitchenAid ovenware with ovenware credits. Credit earned this visit, 5. So, you have 93 ovenware credits. Oh! Okay. Hindi ko naman kailangan yung mga ovenware. Hindi na ako nag-oven, guys. Hindi naman ako nagluluto sa oven most of the time. So, yeah. Anyway, let's put this away and let's have lunch kasi gutom na ako. 12 na. Kain! Kain tayo. We have tinola for our lunch. Tinola ako, guys. Kasi paborito din to ni Mia. She loves tinola. Ochi! Hala. Sasalang ko pa yung ating clothes. Mamaya na. Gutom na ako, sis. May sad news pala kami sa inyo, guys. Yung aming dragonfish, namatay na siya. Wala na siya dyan. Kailan ba siya namatay? That was Friday yata. Friday or Thursday. Pagbili ni V sa kanya, meron siyang parang round thingy sa tail niya. So, we thought it's nothing serious. And I think, yeah, that's the cause of her death. Ang haba-haba nun. Ang laki-laki na nun. And feeling ko din matanda na siya. So, ayun, namatay na siya. And si Mia, ang funny kasi Friday morning, so, Thursday, yung parang napansin namin na parang hindi na siya okay. Like, she only stays in one place. Like, that side. And, like, ginaganon-ganon niya yung tail niya. I think it's uncomfortable kasi nandun yung parang below. Tapos, the next day, morning, which is Friday, so, bali ni Mia, chinek namin kung okay pa siya. And, hindi na siya gumagalaw. And we thought, patay na siya. So, pupunta kami ng balay niya. And then, she was like telling Miss Erin na patay na daw si Sally. And hindi naman alam ni Miss Erin kung sino si Sally. So, ayun, tinanong ako nung, ayun, Olin, pinick up ko siya. And sabi niya, oh, I'm so sorry. But who's Sally? Sabi niya. Tapos sabi ko, oh, it's our fish. Oh my God, she said. Oh my God. Yeah, she said Sally is dead. I was like, yes. Oh, that's so funny. So, when we come back home, okay pa si Sally. So, tinik siya ni Daddy. I mean, like, trinay siya i-lift ni Daddy with something. Basta may nilagay si Daddy sa loob ng tank para, like, more oxygen and stuff. Just to keep her alive. Pero hindi na, guys. So, Friday night, parang, ayan, super, ano na siya, super mahina. And she didn't make it. So, ayun, Friday night, we buried her there sa labas. Yeah, we lost Sally. So sad. Daddy was so sad. Hello, guys. Katapos ko lang magtupi sa labas. Yung iba hindi pa dry. So, hinayaan ko muna. Nasa second load na tayo. Nakapaghang din ako ng first load. Tinikman ko tong, tawag dito, mini cupcakes. Ang sarap. Oh my gosh. $6 something ata to sa Post. Ano na siya? 9 pieces. Pero masarap siya, guys. Ang cute. Pwede na siya pang party. Actually, kung gusto nyo ganito lang. May sweets lang sa party. Diba? Meron ding isang flavor nito. Yung parang rainbow naman yung kanyang mousse sa taas. Yun yung binigay kay Mia nung may birthday sa kasama niya sa ballet. So, binigyan sila tag isa-isa. Ay, ang cute! Ang liit lang niya, pero ang sarap niya. Nakadalawa na ako. Dalawa na to, guys. Ay, ang sarap ng mousse niya. Parang isang bite lang siya. Makain mo na lahat. Ang sarap. Okay. Nag-edit ako ng vlog eh. Sabi ko break muna. Kain muna ako. Ayun, nakadalawa na ng cupcake. Hi, hello people. Who's here? Little girl is here. She's checking out something to eat. What are you gonna eat? That's my surprise! Kumain siya isang Mentos. You saw it? Yeah. That's mommy's surprise. Can mommy have one, too? Just eat two, huh? Where's your plate? It's your favorite. It's my favorite, huh? You haven't tried it. It's your favorite, agad.
Who eats two of this?
Me. Because I'm hungry. Why? You don't want?
I told you how to eat dinner food.
I already eat lunch. I bought it after I dropped you. So I already eat my lunch. 2 cupcakes for my lovely daughter. And mommy's gonna have one. Yummy? Eat it. Yeah? Ang palit na siya ng damit kasi nainitan daw siya, guys. Nainitan siya. Sabi niya, it's hot. Pinalitan niya yung top niya.
Yummy.
Did you tell your teacher that you're hot? You feel hot? And then what? Teacher change you? You change yourself?
I'm called teacher. It's one.
Juan? Juan change you?
No, I don't think I was different now. To understand me. And to understand clothes and to want to put it all on me.
Did Juan help you then?
Now you want to go home.
Juan go home. Si Mariah wala na. Si Mariah. Where's Mariah gone?
Where's here? She's at home.
Mariah's at home. Mariah's not working there anymore. Mariah have to work somewhere else. So, si Joanne na yung Si Joanna yung lagi niyang kinikwento sa akin. Si Joanna yung paborito niyang educator. Who's your favorite teacher?
Juan.
Juan. Lagi na lang Juan. Mas close na siya kay Juan ngayon. You loved it? That's good. You like my surprise?
It's not yet. It's yummy.
It's yummy, yeah. You like my surprise?
Huh?
So that.
Hey, hey, I'm eating muffins.
Go have a look. Yeah, mommy will show you. Yeah, mommy will show you.
Her mouth. You just told me about yellow car. You know what Daddy brought? A yellow car. It's outside. Look at it. Are you excited to drive it? Yeah? We'll drive it tomorrow to school? Okay. Cooking na pala tayo ng dinner, guys. I'm cooking sayote. Ayan, malapit na yan maluto. So, sayote lang yan and pork mince. Ayan, ginisa ko lang. An hour crispy fried chicken and John. So, ito na yung ano tawag dito? Yung niluto ko, pero iluluto ko ulit. No, parang second, second na lagay dun. Ito yung first na lagay ko eh. So, hindi pa siya masyado cook. And, yeah. So, ito yung ginamit ko. Spicy crispy fry. Yum!
Then, there's two forks and knife here. Forks.
So, when I eat the, the bitter melon, the meatball, I'll heat it up. In the container.
Little melon.
Just the meatball.
Well,
Is it there?
why don't you use that one for me?
The bottom.
You put this on for me. Yummy.
Finish? Wow, look at that. She did it. She did the table.
No, they did very good.
Wow.
You know what?
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me.
Ayan, naglalaro na naman siya ng
Good
kanyang
night,
truck.
people.
Good night na. Kakabalik niya lang kasi naglaro siya sa baba. Ito yung pinaglaro. Ito yung pinabili niya sa akin last time. Gusto niya yung Paw Patrol na truck na yan. Don't go there, you silly. You got stuck. Say goodnight, people. See you next time. Bye na. Good night na ikaw. So, anyway, yun lang yung vlog natin today. Yes, baby.
Can I play this?
Wow. What are we gonna play?
Mommy, don't play now. So, but then you did this.
Kaka-play lang natin. We just finished playing the other one.
Yes, let's just play that. You did dentist, I'm the dentist, and this. Pretend this is the 2 eggs.
We are the dentist. Okay.
And you did dentist too.
Okay.
And
Say goodnight first.
everybody.
Mommy's ending the vlog. Bye, people. See you next.
No, don't say bye. Yes,
Ano?
just say goodnight. No.
Okay. Good night then.
Because only when we go, we have to say bye.
Okay.
And now when we go sleep, we have to say goodnight.
So what do we say?
When we say something like this, hi people, we're just sleeping and we have a channel and see our channel and good night, like that.
See our channel. What? See our channel. What do you mean?
See our channel later and I mean,
I'll see you in our channel later. Is that what you mean? Okay. So see you in our channel later. Like that? Sige na. Bye. Ay, bye. Good night. See you next time. Sige na. See you next time na.
good night.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
See, good night.
Bye. Go kisses. Naglagay ako ng ano dito. Tawag dito.
No, I have to plug them now.
Vaseline. Kasi ang dry ng dito ko, guys. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Gemma.
Bye!